How to see who viewed your Instagram highlights in 24 hours. If you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So first thing to do, of course, is open up your Instagram. And once you are here on our Instagram, we need to go to our profile by clicking our profile in the bottom right. After that, what we need to do is go to that 3 lines above and go to the archive section. Just tap in archive, and in the archive section you can see here also the stories archive in your post archives, and of course the stories that you have been able to put in your account. So click on a story and then tap on the more options, and for you, you should have a option called story insights. So if you open it, you can see the people that have viewed your story highlights. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this tutorial.